Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set automatic price alerts on the CoinStats app. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open the CoinStats app, then go to the alerts section. And here, as default, the auto section is selected. And here you can activate the automatic price alerts. The first one is price notification. It's turned on right now. You can set it to low, medium, or high. Adjust the sensitivity and receive the optimal amount of significant change notification. And here are a few other changes. The market updates, breaking news notification, new pair notification, pump notification, team update notification, and you can also set notifications for your portfolio if you need a portfolio value notification, and you can also set the timing of your notifications. So that's pretty much it about the automatic price alerts and notifications on CoinStats. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone and see you in the next one. Bye.